Okay, so I just wanted to do this quick tutorial for you to show you exactly how you can quickly and easily install any of my Divi child themes onto your WordPress site. Okay, so I have a demo site here. It is just a plain site. There's nothing on it. There's the standard hello world post there that comes with Divi. Pages, absolutely nothing there. Okay, so starting completely from scratch. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you want to go to appearance and you want to go to themes. Now obviously a normal Divi site comes with these themes already in place, but obviously we're going to want to put the child theme on there, the one that you've bought. Now some of you may already have Divi installed, that's absolutely fine, but for those who don't have Divi installed or the main Divi theme installed, I'll show you how to do that first of all. Okay, so first we go to themes here and we go to add new and then upload theme and choose a file, and I have my Divi zip here. Okay, this is Divi, the standard Divi that you purchase. Okay, so we open that and we click install now. Okay, this is going to take a few seconds just to install. There we go. Now what you do not want to do is you don't want to activate this, okay? You don't want to activate this theme, okay? So if we go back to appearance and themes again, here we have Divi installed. This is the normal standard Divi, and again, you don't want to activate this, okay? So the next thing you need to do is install the Divi child theme that you've bought from me, okay? The pre-made website ready. So again, you're in themes and you go to add new again, and again, you just repeat the process. Add new, upload theme, choose file, and I wonder if I can just no, I can't. Okay, okay, where are we? Golden Girl, there we go, Golden Girl, and here is the Golden Girl theme here. Okay, so I'm just going to click and open and then install. It's going to take a little bit longer because it's loading all the data and all of the coding and everything like that onto it. Maybe I'll sing you a little song while it's loading, or maybe not. I'll scare you away. Okay, so here you can say theme has installed successfully. But we haven't activated it yet, okay? So we need to click activate. And here you will have your Golden Girl Premium Child theme, okay? So this is the one that you want. But as you can see, if you go to your pages, there's nothing there. Where's all of your content? Oh my God! Where's all that beautiful content that I created just for you? Okay, it's up here, okay? So here I have, this needs to be installed. So we just click on this Golden Girl Premium Child theme here. And this is going to import all of the data that I've already created for you. Make sure all of these are ticked. And all we need to do is import demo content. And ding, 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 ding. It's working. It's wonderful magic. Clickety-click, microchip. Again, this may take a little while because it's loading everything that I've created. So all of the coding, all of the styling and stuff like that. There we go. Import process is complete. Okay. So now if we go down to our pages, dun, 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 there we have your pre-made website. So let's have a look. Let's just check that this is all works okay. So I'm just going to click on this and click over here, and there we have it. Your site is all ready with all of the coding and everything all done. Okay. Now how you edit these pages, I'm going to go into some editing videos a little bit later on. just to show you a few little bits and stuff like that. But you can just click this enable visual builder and that will bring the visual builder and you can start adding your content and stuff like that. There is a few things that I do want to tell you right now, and that is that if you go to the Divi theme customizer here, this is where you get to change some of the settings. So if you want to change the color scheme, if you want to change the fonts, etc., this is all where you do it. This is where you do it. Little thing, there is additional CSS class in here. This is coding, okay? This is what makes certain things do certain things. Do not mess with that. Stay away from that. If you delete that, then you're very likely you're going to break the site, okay? So stay out of that. But you can change the buttons, and you can change the typography here and stuff like that. But again, if you are design challenged and you don't want to change anything too much or anything like that, you don't want to mess up the look and the feel of this template, then stay away from this, okay? Stay away and just leave it as it is, because that's the last thing you want to do is just mess up the look and the feel. Another quick one is how to add your own logo, because obviously this has got the Golden Girl logo on it that I've created. You're obviously not going to want that. You're going to want your own one. So if you go down to Divi down here and then go to theme options, I think it is. Let me just remember. Yes. Okay, the very first theme option you have here is logo. So you can just delete this and then you can upload your own logo. Okay, so you just upload and then select file and you're away to go. And as you can see in the media library, this is all of the photos that are on the site already. You get these for free. You can use these if you want, or you can delete them. That's absolutely not a problem. These do come free with the site. And that, ladies, is how you install your Divi child theme. Very quick, very easy. Okay, if you have any questions at all, please feel free to hit me up. I'm always happy to answer your questions.